G'day guys, so Coinbase has launched graph tokens on their platform, which means you can now learn about them and earn $3 USD in graph tokens on Coinbase. It's not a whole lot, but hey, $3 in free tokens is great, especially if they go up in value, and it gives you something to experiment with using the Coinbase platform. So, to start off with, if you're not already on Coinbase, head down to the description to sign up using my referral link or referral code, and you'll also get $10 in Bitcoin when you've completed 100 USD worth of buys or sells, so just trades in general, on the Coinbase platform. So that's about 10% of your trading volume in credit, which is awesome, right? So sign up using that referral code and then head on back with me and we will go to the Coinbase dashboard. So I'll see you there. From your Coinbase dashboard, look for this Earn Rewards button over here in the menu. Click on that. And then from the rewards screen, look for the graph section. So it may be at the top or it may be down further in the list. Just scroll down if it's not at the top. And we want to go through these training sessions on it. I'll help you through all of the answers. So first up, what is the graph? So decentralized protocols provide reliable and neutral access to software and information. The graph is a decentralized protocol for indexing and querying data from blockchains, and it makes this data easily accessible for everyone. Just like Google indexes the web, the graph indexes blockchain data from networks like Ethereum and Filecoin. Now that is interesting. The data is grouped into open APIs that are called subgraphs, and anyone can query them. Subgraphs make it possible to build decentralized apps that can change how humans cooperate on the internet. So what information is indexed by the graph? Is it quadratic functions or, let's say, blockchain data, eh? There you go. $1 in graph tokens already. Let's move on to the next lesson. So data on the graph is processed by a decentralized network of computer operators that are called indexes. Indexes compete to provide the best indexing and query processing at the lowest price. Anyone who holds graph tokens can help secure the network by delegating their GRT to those indexes. By delegating GRT, you can earn rewards and help indexes process more data for the new crypto economy. So, what do you earn for delegating GRT to an indexer? GRT tokens, that's got to be it, right? And there you go, you've earned another $1 in GRT. Let's move on. As more data gets added to the graph, how do you determine what data is accurate and useful? Well, that's where the curators come in. Curators deposit GRT to signal which subgraphs they think are the most useful and the highest quality. Really important in indexing. Curators get a portion of fees for these subgraphs. It's not risk-free though. Curators need to understand the subgraphs they select. So by accurately assessing which subgraphs are most valuable and likely to produce query fees, curators are able to efficiently allocate resources on the network, so they can help organize the data for a more fair and open crypto economy. So who identifies high quality, useful data on the graph? Curators are the ones. So there you go, another $1. So that's it. You've got your graph tokens, you've learned something, and now if you want to, you can sell them and trade them for something else, back to fiat, whatever works for you. Hope you found this helpful. Again, remember, make sure, head down to that description to sign up for Coinbase using my referral code to get your $10 in Bitcoin when you complete those $100 worth of trades, and get yourself some free graph tokens. Coinbase also does a lot of other training events like that can help you to earn more tokens. If you click this video up here, you will see how you can get some free banned tokens on Coinbase as well. And there's always new ones coming through. So try that out if you're interested. Also check out my past videos on utilizing crypto.com and other crypto apps and platforms. If you're interested in signing up for any of them, again, down in the description, referral links for bonuses. I appreciate it if you use any of them. If not, all good. Have fun. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.